MVVM stands for Model View View Model. It's a way to organize your code into three main layers. The first layer is model. Think of this as the brain of your app. It handles all the data and the rules about how the data can be changed. It's the most reliable part of your application. The second layer is view. This is what you see on the screen. It's the button, text field, and the layouts that you interact with. And the last one is the view model, which acts like a translator or middleman. It takes the data from the model and gets it ready for the view to display. It also listens to what you do in the view and updates the model when needed. This way, everything stays in sync without you to worry about the details. Let's look into some of the benefits of MVVM. The first perk of using MVVM is separation of concern. Each part, model, view, and view model, has its own job, making the code easier to follow and manage. This setup lets developers work on different sections of the app without stepping on each other's toes. Next up is scalability. MVVM is great for big projects. As your app grows, its clear structure helps keep things organized, making it simpler to add new features or tweak existing ones. Another cool thing about MVVM is testability. Since the business logic is separate from user interface, you can test the logic on its own. This makes it easier to write tests and ensure your app works as it should. MVVM also boosts reusability. The view model can be used across different views, cutting down on repeated code and keeping things consistent throughout the app. Then there's maintainability. With everything neatly organized, updating and fixing the app becomes a lot easier, and you're less likely to introduce a new bug. In a framework like SwiftUI, MVVM uses data binding to automatically update the view when the model changes, making the user interface more responsive and lively. In the next video, we will learn how MVVM works with SwiftUI.